our group did the hovercraft for Freshman Engineering Design Day, and to begin with, we had some major problems. I mean, major. First, we had to get slide across carpet, which wasn't a really easy task. And second, we need a motor source for pushing and for the lift. And we were going to use a skirt. That's a problem. You got to get the right material for the skirt. And we had to keep it under $40 and have to make it look good. And so the solutions are secrets. So I'm going to have to come closer here and talk to you about this. So the solutions, we have two motors, one for the lift and one for the push. And with this, we're going to use a transmitter with a receiver that we use from a remote control airplane. And the rotors are going to be seated with servos. And we're going to paint it with this really nice paint that you can only find in certain areas of Italy, that we actually went and made it. I mean, it was absolutely crazy. Fun times, but that's what FEDD is about. And I'm off. Peace.
So what we did is we had to find out, we had to make a new hovercraft because our first one sucked and it's just horrible. And we needed to make a new one, so we did with different stuff. So we had to think about, carpet, what slid across carpet well, and styrofoam blocks are really good, slide over carpet like magic, like butter. So we did that. But we needed a lift motor to see if when you push air down through the styrofoam thing that it's going to move, because if it didn't, then it's useless, So what we did is we put the lift motor on it. It worked like magic. It was like, amazing and stuff, because, honestly, we don't screw around. We're the hovering hooligans, right? And then we ended up making that the foundation of our hovercraft, which is why it was so freaking boss. And we painted it like colors so it looked nice, and then we got 4th place.
Hanger support. Strong dude. Keep the support.
We have another team.
Tape can do anything.
Let's try to get
After the competition, we started playing around with it a little bit, and everybody got a chance to drive it around, and we raced some of the other people just to see how fun it was, and it was pretty fun. We hit a few people's legs, but it didn't break or anything, so it was pretty cool. And our hovercraft had the better paint job, in my opinion, out of all the other ones. We stayed school spirited with the red, white, and black. Go State.
Pack the pack.
Yeah. So Fed Day was pretty awesome. We got to see some pretty cool hovercrafts as well as our own in action. It was pretty good. When we got up there, we started getting nervous tensions of how it was going to go, but it went pretty smoothly at first, and we got stuck on the tape, which was a little disappointment, but Sean was able to get it off of there and drive it off, and onto the end of the track. And we tied for 4th place, which we were happy with that. We're just glad that it ran and everything. And it would be cool to win, but we were just glad to be able to get it done and everything.
Alright, so what we should have done differently, we should have started on the project a little bit earlier so we could get the weight distribution down to perfection, and also we should have started earlier and got everybody acclimated with the hovercraft so everybody could operate it. Advice for future E101 students when you're doing your project, don't wait till the last minute. Have extra materials and make sure that you start earlier, because the earlier the better. Thank
you. Never can say goodbye. No, 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 no.
What? We're live. We're on the air. Delete.
Alright, hi. Cut.
Our group did the hovercraft project for the Freshman Engineering Design Day. Our group did the hovercraft project for Freshman Engineering Design Day.
It's gone.
Alright, so what we should have done differently. First off, we should have changed the weight. Cut.
Is my turn to talk about? Okay, I'm gonna talk. All right.
Yeah.
It's on.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Are you still taking?
So. And we had, well, that's the cover. The cover was painted. Colors. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just gonna play with the magic screen. Where's the button? Microsoft Surface.